we explain it all. How do plants make food from sunlight? Have you ever eaten sunlight for lunch? No? Good. That would be very bright and probably taste like a hot lamp. But plants can do something amazing. They can use sunlight to help make their own food. Tiny Explorer looked at a green leaf shining in the sun. The leaf looked quiet, too quiet. Tiny Explorer narrowed his eyes. You are doing something in there. The leaf rustled gently. Tiny Explorer put on his sunshine goggles. Click. Then he pressed the shrink button. Whiz! Pop! Suddenly, he was tiny. A golden sunbeam came down from the sky. Tiny Explorer grabbed it like a slide. Whee! He landed on the leaf. The leaf was huge now. It looked like a green island. Then a little door opened. Come in, said a cheerful voice. Tiny Explorer stepped inside. His eyes grew wide. Inside the leaf, everything was glowing green. Little machines were humming. Water drops were rolling in. Air bubbles were floating around. Sunbeams were shining through the roof. Welcome, said the leaf. You have entered the Leaf Food Factory. Tiny Explorer blinked. Food factory? But plants do not eat sandwiches. No sandwiches, said the leaf. We make plant food. A blue water drop rolled in from one side. Tiny Explorer pointed. Where did that come from? From the roots, said the leaf. The roots drank water from the soil. The stem carried it up. Then a tiny air bubble floated in through a little opening. Tiny Explorer tried to catch it. Boop! It bounced off his helmet. And that? That is air, said the leaf. Plants use part of the air to help make food. Then the sunbeam became brighter. The whole leaf factory lit up. Sunlight arriving, said the leaf. The machines began to move. Water came in. Air came in. Sunlight poured down. Whir, swish, glow. A little drop of plant food appeared. Tiny Explorer clapped. You made food from sunlight. With sunlight, water, and air, said the leaf. Tiny Explorer repeated it. Leaves use sunlight, water, and air to make food. That is the big idea, said the leaf. The science word is photosynthesis. Tiny Explorer tried to say it. Photosynthesis. The leaf smiled. It is a big word, but the simple idea is this. Leaves are food factories. The plant food moved through tiny tubes. Some went to the roots. Some went to the stem. Some went to new little leaves. Tiny Explorer followed one food drop. Where are you going? To help the plant grow, said the food drop. Tiny Explorer laughed. This plant has a whole kitchen inside it. The leaf nodded. A sunlight kitchen. Tiny Explorer slid back out of the leaf and down the sunbeam. Then he grew to normal size. Pop. The plant still looked quiet. But now Tiny Explorer knew better. Inside every green leaf, something busy was happening. Sunlight was being caught. Water was being used. Air was being used. Food was being made. So next time you see a plant sitting in the sun, remember, it is not just relaxing. It is not just sunbathing. It is cooking with sunlight. Leaves make food for the plant. Sunlight, water, and air go in. Plant food comes out. That is the secret of the Leaf Food Factory.